Have you ever wondered about the difference between static and dynamic websites? Well, here's an opportunity to unravel that mystery. First things first, a static website is like a fixed painting in a gallery. Each page is coded in HTML and displays the same information to every visitor. These types of websites are the most basic type of website and are the easiest to create. They do not require any web programming or database design. All it takes is a developer writing codes, and voila, it's ready for the world to see. However, the downside is that if you need to change something, you'll need to dig into the code and modify it manually. Now, imagine a website that's more like a chameleon, changing its appearance and information based on who's looking at it. That's a dynamic website. These websites can display different content from the same source code. How does this happen? Well, it's the server-side scripting languages like PHP, ASP, or JSP that do the trick. These languages make the website interactive, allowing it to respond to users' actions and preferences. Let's say you're browsing an online store. The products you see, the recommendations, and the layout may all change based on your past interactions, preferences, and even the time of day. That's the magic of dynamic websites. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Dynamic websites are more complex to build and require a higher level of programming skill. So what are the key differences between static and dynamic websites? First, static websites are simple to create, while dynamic websites require more complex coding. A static website is like a fixed painting, the same for everyone. On the other hand, a dynamic website is like a chameleon, changing based on who's watching. Second, static websites are quicker to load and use less server resources, as they don't need to process any data. However, dynamic websites, while they may take a bit more time to load, provide a personalized user experience. Finally, updating static websites can be a bit of a chore as it requires manual coding. But with dynamic websites, updates can be as easy as clicking a button in a content management system. In a nutshell, whether you choose a static or dynamic website depends largely on your needs. If you need a simple, quick, and easy-to-build website, the static route might be the way to go. But if you're looking for a more personalized, interactive, and flexible website, then a dynamic website might be your best bet. And there you have it, a simple explanation to help you understand the difference between static and dynamic websites. Whether you're a web developer or just someone curious about how the internet works, knowing the difference can help you make informed decisions and understand the web a little bit better.